Jai Shri Ram everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita. And how are you friends? I hope you all guys are doing very well. First I am going to tell you a story. Okay. Once upon a time there was a boy. He wanted to learn English but there was no one to help him. So he discovered some techniques how to learn English, and within 3 months he started to speak in English. Okay, so friends, here the boy none other than you. Okay friends, okay, if you want to learn English, if you want to speak in English, and think about that there is no one to help you, then and you have a eager to learn this language, then your mind started to thinking how to learn English at alone, how to learn English at alone. In today's video we will discuss about how you can learn English at alone. Okay, you have, if you have no one, then don't worry, you don't need to help with learning English. Okay, you and only you and yourself can learn English very easily and very nicely. So friends, here I'm going to tell you some techniques, some different techniques which help you to learn English, to speak English very well. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, please watch the video right till then, because this video is going to very helpful, very useful for every English learner who wants to be fluent in English. So, and please, before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, please subscribe my video, and if you like, then please subscribe my video, because your supports will help me very much. Your support will encourage me to make these types of video. So without any delay, let's get into the topic. So friends, the first technique which you can use, that is shadowing. Okay, shadowing means imitating. Okay, and how can you do this techniques? Okay, first you go to in front of the mirror and just stand. Okay, if you want to sit, then sit, it's depend on you, and start to say something in English. Okay, whatever you know, just start to say something. Okay, and just create a illusion. Okay, that there the mirror is, and their mirror is a second person which with whom you can talk. Okay, so this illusion, this technique will help you to speak in English quickly, nicely, and the very good thing is that there is no one to judge you, there is no one to imitate you. Okay, there is no one to discourage you. Okay, so there is you and yourself only. So you can speak whatever you know, whatever in your mind, just start to speak. Okay, how can this technique help you? This technique will help you, your confidence level will be high after using this technique. Okay, because when you are starting to speak something, your hesitation how to speak in English will go away. Okay, will fly away. So this technique is very important. So my first technique is shadowing, that means imitating. My second technique is that talking to yourself. Okay, suppose if you talk to other people, so you need to careful how in a grammar portion. Okay, if I'm doing many type of mistakes. Okay, so you generally think that. Okay, and you think the grammar portion, you think the sentence structure using, so there are so many compulsion, so there are so many hesitation, you feel that. Okay, but if you talk to yourself, then it is very easy to you. Okay, for you it is very easy for you, because there is no one to discourage you, there is no one to humiliate you, there is no one which you feel hesitate. So this technique is very important, and everyone can talk to with. Okay, to talk to yourself, talk to your own self, everyone can do this. Okay, and everyone usually do that. Okay, so if you generally do the talk to yourself, then start to talk yourself in English. It is very important, it is very useful methods, and it gives you a knowledge. Okay, if you are thinking in a different topic, then just start to speak some sentence in English, okay, with yourself, and after sometimes then start to give the answer. So this technique is very important, and you feel after some time that you feel so confident, you feel so, your mind, every time your mind started to think in English, okay. And whatever you do in your daily work, okay, just start to recall in your mind, okay. Okay, and ask the question with yourself, what did you do in your whole day, and start to recall, start to learn in English, okay. I wake up early, and then I take a bath, and okay, I brush my teeth, take a bath, and dress up, and I leave the home and just go to the office, school, anywhere, okay. And after coming the school, office, and I do that, and the पूरा whole, आपको whole day का पूरा आपको recall होगा. So this technique help you a lot of confidence in English. You feel more energetic, you feel more, and this techniques will also you feel very funny, you feel very fun of this learning period, because learning something, if you feel boring to learn something, then the thing is not easily come to you, okay. If you feel fun, if you feel happy to learn this anything, it will comes to you easily. So it is very important to learn with fun, to learn with happiness, to learn with energy. So friends, this technique will help you very much. My third technique is, okay, YouTube. It is very important, and everyone have a phone, Android phone. So and then just start to search in on YouTube some English videos, okay, conversation videos, interview videos. So there are so many videos in YouTube. On YouTube provide you so many apps, and there are so much knowledge, okay. But it depends on you, okay. So start learning English with YouTube, okay. How can it? You can just start easy videos, just as kids movie, kids comic movies, okay, because their English is very easy, and you can easily understand it, okay. Then just start to listen and watching kids movies, okay. Here I'm going to show you one video, okay friends.
With their mother sparrow. The sparrow used to go daily in the forest to feed her little children. One day when she came back from forest, she found that her children were very scared. She asked them, "What happened, my children? Why are you so scared?"
So friends, in this video, you can see how the easy language used in this video. And if you don't understand the language, you can read the subtitles. So this technique is help you very much. My fourth technique is picture visualization, okay. If you see any picture, okay, then just start to, whatever you see in picture, then just start to speak in English, okay. I will show you a picture. You can see, what do you understand in this picture, okay. I understand that there are two person, a boy, a girl, okay. A boy gave something, okay, to the girl, and girl was a smile, okay. So I feel that both are in love, I feel that. So you can visualize the sentences after seeing the picture. So this technique is also very important. And my fifth technique is that record your voice. It is very important, okay. When you speak in English with some topic, then just start to record your voice. After recording, you will see the, you will hear the video, and you can feel that where you are good, where you are wrong. So you can easily understood the mistakes or the strong point of your speaking terms. So this is very important things. My next technique is that read out loud. It is very important, okay. What is the benefit of reading, okay. Reading habit is very useful for you, okay. It improves your vocabulary, it improves your sentence framing structure. Okay, it improves your grammar, it improves your pronunciation, because when you are going to speak out something, your mouth have to force out, open out. Okay, it it helps you to pronunciation is going good. Okay, when you are listening and not going to speak out loud, that means your mouth have no practice to speak in English. Okay, if you want to speak in English, then start to read it loud, because your mouth have to practice the every single words that you have to speak out. Okay friends, so friends, I hope I gave you some techniques, and these techniques will help you very much. I hope that. So friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and please let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comment. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.